Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, you haven't watched my video before, my name is Chisa Obisan, a new YouTuber based in Plateau, Jos. Welcome back. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Honestly, thank you for always coming back. And if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, you can do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Actually, this is a new channel. I'm trying to grow it up, and you can also help me grow it by subscribing to this channel, please. And once you subscribe, please don't be offended. Just go to the comment section and type I subscribe and I will reply to you. Please do not be offended. Just go to the comment section, type I subscribe and subscribe to my type I subscribe and I will reply to you. Please don't just watch the video and leave. Please try and subscribe. So today I'm going to share a story again about a husband abandoned the mother, about a husband abandoning his wife in the hospital, a woman that just give birth to a third child, because the baby is a girl. He decides to abandon the wife and the baby in the hospital just because she gave birth to a girl. Please let me ask you, some husband that used to do this, what kind of human being, what kind of husband are you? Eh? Your wife carry a child. I can imagine the battle she go through. I can imagine the pains she go through. Not even the labor. Not even the labor. And after giving birth to this baby, you decide to abandon her. Why? Because she gave birth to a baby girl. Let me ask you, is baby girl not a child? I understand your own point, that you need a person that will answer your name. You need a son that will bear your name. Yes, I understand you too. But please, try and understand this woman. Try and understand that what she give birth is what you give her. Is what you put her. This is what you give her. It's the same thing that she bring. Why are you abandoning her in the hospital just because she give birth to a baby girl? Please, for goodness sake. Sometimes, husband, please, if you are the kind of husband that used to do this, please, you think first. What are you doing? What are you really doing? You abandon your wife after all the pain, hours, some days, going through labor. Some used to go 3 days, 4 days, some 1 week before they give birth. And after everything, thinking that their husband will be there for them, thinking that their husband will console them, thinking that their husband will welcome home with smile on their face. No. Instead, you decide to abandon your wife with the baby in the hospital just because she gave birth to a baby girl. Please, husband, please, I beg you with the name of God, if you are the type of husband that used to do this, please, consider them, please. Think first before you do. Think first before you take any action. Please, if you think that the woman cannot give, it's just 3. The 4th one may be a boy. The 5th one, keep on trying. If you decide that you must give birth, it is a will of God. Your wife will give birth to a baby boy. Please, I beg you, husband, please, on behalf of every woman going through this, please, I beg you people, please, go through. Consider the pains, consider the labor, hours, days in labor. They see hell. When I mean a woman is in labor, she see human beings, she sees, even see spirit. They see hell. a pain of a neighbor. Not even, I can't, you can never, you can't even experience, I can't even tell you how it feels, this pain. Once they give birth to this baby, the baby will calm their face. Once they see the face of their baby, they will forget all the pain. Now you husband, instead of you to see your baby's face and smile, instead of you to see the cute and smiling baby face, no, you won't see that just because the baby is not a boy. Please, if you are a husband, if you are the type of husband that do this kind of thing, that is treating your wife, you are maltreating your wife because she give birth to girls, please consider. I beg you with the name of God, please stop it. Girls are also human beings. Please, it depends the way you train them. Yes, it depends the way you train them. Please, I beg you, fathers, husband, please. If you are the type of husband that used to do this, you abandon your wife in the hospital just because of she gave birth to a baby girl. You start maltreating your wife just because she gave birth to a baby girl. Some people say they give birth to animals. Some used to say they give birth to tout. They are calling their own children all sorts of names. Don't forget, it's what you put. That is the same thing they bring out. Please, I beg you with the name of God, please temper justice with mercy. Please, I understand your own pain. Yes, when I mean I understand you. You need a boy that will take after you. You need a boy that will bear your name once you are not here. I understand you, but just consider it. Please try and consider this woman, the pain they go through, the labor they go through. Yes, please consider them. Please, I beg you with the name of God. Please temper justice with mercy. If you are the type of man that used to do this, please, you need to stop it. You need to stop it. You really need to stop it. That is not the answer of your question. Abandoning them in the hospital, that is not the solution. Leaving them in the hospital, maltreating them is not an option at all. Please, please, I beg you with the name of God. Please. See you guys. I'm going to end this video. See you guys in another video. Bye for now. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please and please subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch the video and leave. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and once you subscribe, go to the subscription comment, go to the comment section, type I subscribe, and I will reply to you. See you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, that's my big girl.